Screen.
Yeah.
So today topic is agentic workflows. Okay. So if I talk about agentic workflow or workflow, what is that? Baba, could you tell me what is workflow in normal English?
Workflow is a sequential steps, I can say. Like if there is a predefined set of steps, so one step is complete, then the next step will come. Only that till the end we will reach. I mean, you know, like uh,
Oh, okay.
huh.
Is there any another approach for this, or there is only sequential approach? Is there or
Nee,
and
there can be n number of paths. So if something is done, then it will go to the success mode. If something is failed, if the condition is not matched, then it will go to the failure step. So these are different kinds of workflows.
no,
So
no. Uh, I understand. You tell me workflows means we are just going deep into that. Yesterday itself we discussed this thing little bit. Am I right?
mhm.
Now we are, but I'm asking right now. You will give me an example of sequential one, means step by step. Am I right?
Huh.
But
Yeah.
apart from step by step, is there any another way to define the workflow or type of workflow?
Mm, Random. Not sure. I
No
think.
worries. Event based. Event based.
Okay.
Okay. So means event, let's say user click something, it's also event, am I right? Or something is complete and now it will next will take a part to do that. So means it's a there is a communication channel between things, am I right? So
Mhm.
they are communicating through events. Means
Okay.
where sequence means one after another. Am I right? But in an event, if when it's complete, then it will inform to another, and it will next will take up means take a step and move ahead. Am I right?
Yeah.
You can say relay race, where one person is waiting for to means complete a half circle of the race, or then he will pass the relay to the next person so that another one means complete a
Start.
pending race. Am I right?
Yeah. So
So
relay race is a kind of workflow. Yeah.
event based, event based.
Events.
Yes, means one event is means
Start of
means
another. Yeah.
notifying to another. It's a no completion means it's saying hey I am completed. Then you need to do that. In a sequence, it will go into a sequence only. When this is a in event based, it doesn't matter. Means sequence, it doesn't matter. You can say okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So let's check the code first, as you means as we decided. First, we'll check the code. After that, we will go on through the theory. Okay. So based on this thing, if you are able to see here, lot of things are similar. What we will saw, what we saw yesterday. Am I right? So let's start from this starting. So here we have you can say this generic work module to agentic workflows. Okay. So states. So states is nothing. It's a data. To you can say means how data will flow and what is the data state is a means in a React.js and your Flutter or your Compose. Lot of places we use the state. Means it's nothing. It's a data. When it's change, your UI is changing. When it's you can say move to a next step, then it's a change. Am I right? So basically, we are tracking the change of our data. Makes sense.
Okay.
So then there is a you can say this we are saying in a step-based event-driven agentic. Makes sense. As we discussed, there are two things are there, modes are there. One is
Step
step-based
based. Yeah.
and another is
Event based.
event-driven. Okay.
Yeah.
And as we you means discussed yesterday, that steps or you can say events have a state.
Yeah. Ideal. Yeah. Running.
Okay,
Executing.
it can be anything, but there are some states. So we are creating a enum here for states and mode here for this because in a practical we need to cover whatever modes are available with us. Sense?
Yes.
And then we have this record lead. Okay, lead, and it will take as a, you can say this name, email, interest, interest, budget, INR, and urgency. Makes sense.
Okay.
So basically, lead is nothing. It's you can say it's a marketing concept, or you can say means we are saying we will now earlier in a first step we will means create a, you can say, interest the user by sending a mail and following up. Am I right?
Okay.
Now we'll take a next step ahead, and now we have a lead. Means uh means they will interested to purchase our course. I mean that person particular client is interested. Makes sense.
Okay.
So for that means we are saying now we have a name, email, string, interest, budget, INR, and urgency. We want to means start immediately after some time, and what kind of means when he want to start the things. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a lead. Okay. And as you know, means we have a memory, and in a memory we will keep everything which we need to track or which we require this our agent or our logic need to be know this thing very well.
Okay.
Yesterday we discussed. Am I
Memory.
right?
Yeah.
So here means there are, you can say, this workflow mode, which we have two modes are there, and lead. So it will part of lead and step index. We yesterday itself we discussed. Am I right?
Yeah.
And if you don't know, then you can check the previous videos. Then retry means so that we can check that means we can say, hey, if you are able to solve this question within a this how many in this attempt only, then you are good. Otherwise, you don't have a means we will not give you a more chances there. This is a retry. Am I right?
Correct.
And the result means what result we will
Yeah.
get there. Okay. And last error is a error which we will
Store.
say, hey, we storing this,
Yeah.
and after that we will check that if what is the last error, so that we can identify which steps is failed and where we need to take
Retry.
a retry. Okay, attempt a retry things. Okay. So
Okay.
and decision means what is the based on a means interest or urgency. We need to take a decision means we need to offer him some discount or send regular things means we need to means it's a, you can say urgency is low, so and then we will need to decide, hey, after some time we can send a mail as a reminder mail, gentle reminder, or some you can say some more discount and things so that they can we can increase client interest so that he or she can enroll in our course. Am I right?
Right.
So here we have a store. In a store we have everything like whatever is required. Okay, like memory is there and your this logs is there, state is there. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Any question or concern till now?
Just need to clarify. The step index means whatever step right now. It's not now just email sending and inquiry. Now we have leads also. So some more steps have increased, I guess. So step index will just keep count of those steps, I guess, right?
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Means yesterday itself we have a multiple steps. Steps are not like two things. Those are the tasks, like send mail and this
Search
search and
question.
those are the tasks. But steps to complete those tasks, how we'll start? Let's say start is a one step. Okay,
Oh,
and you can say this planning is another step.
oh, okay.
Okay, and your this tooling, selecting tooling is another step, means from where it will get information, the thing, and execution is another step. So these
Okay.
are the steps.
Okay.
Task and step little different, so you need to keep this thing in mind. Means task means how many tasks, means you can say we can divide a task into multiple steps.
Okay.
Make sense?
Makes sense. Yes. And we have not okay, these are the steps. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the steps like start, reset, am I right?
Right.
So yesterday itself we discussed this event. So event is here, and yesterday we will take a one base there base class, and another events are extending that base class
Mm.
and have their own implementation. So that when we will write a execution thing, then we can take advantage of this hierarchy and pass a child reference to the method so that it will serve.
Yeah.
Based on a parent's reference, we can pass the child
Right.
reference. Okay, child object. Any question or concern regarding this event?
No. No.
Okay, as we discussed, means every this have a child class have their own thing. Okay,
Yeah.
like tool failed and just failed only, which we discussed. This is a, you can say, string tool. Okay, and so okay, so here will okay now we have a event. So tool registry means which tool we are gonna use. Okay, yesterday also we did that. So here we will checking this. If lead have this information, if not, then we are using some default value.
Okay.
Okay, so interest is you can say 20, 15, high, and then 30, and medium this. Okay, so we are setting that base score, base score. Okay, means like for yesterday itself, we will set a some default value. So we are doing that here as well. If nothing, we are not getting anything, then these are the default values. Okay.
Okay.
And here we are saying that means we are calculating the score with you can say minimum one. So based on this 100 and base score, minimum we are calculating and assigning to a score. And we are saying means task from result. We are basically uh, converting a dictionary to task from result. Basically, this is a you can say our dictionary and task is our class which we are creating from a some dictionary. Make sense? It's a
Okay.
you can say conversion.
Okay.
You know .NET
Yeah.
means,
Yeah.
but as per my understanding, this we are doing here. Okay, and here we have a you can say this another you can say. task, and here we can say create offer, which is responsible to create offer based on your lead and the decision. Okay. So here this is a date we are taking, and after that, based on this, we are converting the thing like in here when we are discussing this decision. Based on that, it will create a offer. Or you can say this based on your this decision, it will create a task for you. Makes sense?
Okay. So, I mean, we are trying to find out the lead who is the most compatible, right? Uh, any who is
Yeah.
interested in the course till now. We are in that goal actually, correct?
Yes, 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 yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Means based on you can say
Score.
decision, whatever decision have, user decision have, or based on that we will, you can say
Then
take a decision means what in which path
this.
we need to go.
Okay. Yeah.
Means what task will do now. Makes sense. It's a conditional thing.
Conditional thing. Yes.
Makes sense. It will decide your task next step.
Hmm.
Am I right? So
Correct.
now another is create offer is there, and you can say create offer is there,
Score.
and whether you can say this. So create offer is there, send email again. Now send email also come in a picture, means to, means and to whom we need to send their email address, subject, body, and fail rate. There's a fail rate as well, but don't go deep into this. Means what is this, what is that. Just we
Yeah.
need to understand the concept. Okay,
Concept. Yeah. Yeah.
because I am assuming you know the code very well. So just we are explain the concept and learning the concept here. But in context of agentic AI.
Yeah.
Okay, so random share. So it will say means fail rate. It's a, you can say sharing and less than a is throwing email provider timeout. So it's a simulating means the flaky provider is the, you can say we are, what is mean of flaky, you know.
Dummy. No.
Flaky means, let's say you will write a one function for 2 plus 2. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
If you execute, your expectation should be it should be return a 4 to you.
Hmm.
But flaky means if you it will giving a unpredictable result. If you run that, it will give you an unpredictable result. That's why in a random, it will give you a different result every time.
Okay.
And we
Okay.
are mimicking the thing here, simulating the thing. Flaky.
Okay.
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 Means you can say your expectation from our means this mail need to be sent, but it's not sending due to any reason. Makes sense. Then it's, we are mimicking that thing or mocking that thing, simulating. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, if everything goes fine, then we are message ID, creating a random message ID from a timestamp, and we are now creating a, you can say, our new task based on our this data. Okay,
Hmm.
and then is a write CRM. Uh, so here we are updating our CRM as well. Okay, so means in our database or in our portal, we are doing this entry. So this is responsible for do that. Makes sense.
Okay. Hmm. Right. CRM. Okay.
Okay, and dispatch plus reducer. So means yesterday we will say means now engine will do the things, means how it will start the things, and it will combine dispatcher plus reducer, which will means it is do the execution means for your this, and here this is the you can say our memory, store
Okay.
memory, and we are printing the default in a renderer. We yesterday we also see that render. Am I right?
Yeah,
Which
render.
will display the states. What is the state there? What is the you can say current flow where we are in a current flow? Am I right?
Stream. Yeah.
So basically, it's a step-by-step process. So whatever we did previously, that thing we kept somewhere so that we can
Log.
check that. Am I right? Take a decision or compare the thing. If you're not sure how we can compare.
Hmm.
Okay, dispatch means we are entering, we are moving forward and updating the state.
Hmm.
Producer means it will move forward, and here we will update the result as UI as well and perform the task and updating the you can say information in our code. Am I right?
Right.
So producer is means moving forward to execution of your real thing. Makes sense.
Hmm.
And here, if you check this, means in a reset, what we will do, it we will set the state again and memory, refresh the memory again.
Okay.
Okay, from initial state. You can consider this as a reset your phone. Am I right? If you
Hmm.
reset your phone, it will start from a company setting. It will clean everything, whatever you did.
Okay.
Agree?
Okay. So. Hmm.
Yes,
So.
sir. Go ahead.
So a reducer takes us to the. It takes some event and takes us to the next state.
Step, yes. Next step.
Okay. Start is there. Okay.
Start. So start will you can say here. Uh, it will take you can say this
Score.
start mode. It will change the mode, whatever it's agentic mode or step mode, and update the things. And after that, it will retry. Is initialize the retry means from and do this error thing because if you started, then we are not assuming any error. That's why it's a null. Okay, and we are
Okay.
simulating means hey, this is a done, and lead is this and mode is this. We are printing that because right now we are simulating and understanding the thing.
Okay.
Okay, now if we say tool, okay, means whatever tool we are using. So this is a way to check the things like these are the same step which we are performing. Means we are converting to a child parents reference to child reference so that we can get a advantage
One
of their own
abstraction on
implementation.
implementation. Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
So here we are doing that, and after to fail, tool fail, so we need to go for retry. Then here we are doing that thing, is retry things and increasing the retry count. Okay, so it's a similar what we
Yesterday.
yes yesterday and done and fail. Okay, any question or concern?
No, I'm getting, yeah. No.
Okay, so
So
now yes,
yeah.
yes, go ahead, go
So
ahead, go ahead.
suppose like now my lead score has come 70. Uh, we have taken. So we will what decision we are going to take. So how in a broad view, like if you can just tell it theoretically, uh, or maybe yeah, we can go ahead and I will try to figure out. Yeah.
So yeah, here you can say this is a program which will you can say your class, okay, and it has some method decide from score
Score. Yeah.
which you are asking right now. So here you will get your answer. So here you will say if score is high and lead budget you can say greater than or equal to 5,000 and score is this 70% means
Mm,
there is a lot of potential to convert
convert
this.
it. Yeah.
Return send a discount. Okay.
Okay. This is decision, है ना? Sentence का.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Because without decision, our system will not work because it's an
Hmm.
agent. Okay.
Hmm.
So in that agent, we need to, like in our day-to-day programming as well, or day-to-day life as well, things are not means goes into a straight line.
Hmm.
At some point of time in our life, we need to take a decision, either this, either this.
Hmm. Right.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Like means I need to, I you can say, if a rain is there, then I no need to go with the umbrella, or let's say you will means searching a job and you will need to decide, hey, if I will get this much of salary, then I will join a company. Otherwise, I will not gonna join a company.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So same thing here, based on your lead and decide from score means based on your lead and things you will decide what is the next thing you need to do. Okay, so this method is doing. Hope you got your answer what you
I
are
got
asking.
answer. Yeah. Decision. Yeah.
So now you need to wait, Vaibhav, until complete the things. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, now run step based.
Hmm.
Okay, now we have two more. One is you can say step and another one is event. Okay, so this is the you can say
Step.
run step.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are saying means we pass a store, and the store in a store we are saying lead. We are in a memory we are getting a lead, and email retries is a maximum two. We can attempt to send a mail for two times. Okay, so step index is one. Okay, so here we can say tools score lead. Okay, score lead means which we check now based on a you can say score lead means we are getting this score lead based on this it will convert or you can say this tool
Decision.
tool
Yeah.
score lead. Let's check this score lead is a this.
Yeah.
Okay, so it will give us a score thing and after that when we put a score lead then what we are doing here run step based. Okay, then we are passing this to a score lead to our this okay event. Okay, and if everything is goes fine, then otherwise we will go for a fail event.
Hmm.
Makes sense. And you can say when we move forward, then you can say we will go to a this
Offer.
based on a decision. We will go for a regular thing. Send regular and create offer, and there's a possibility it can also fail. We will go for a retry for this event as well. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
this is a while loop which will until unless we not complete the things.
Hmm.
So we can say we need to retry the things. Means attempt how many whatever
Yeah.
setting is there. Am I right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So try get value. So here we are doing that in a catch block. We are retrying the things. Okay.
Okay.
So and this is a you can say right CRM thing which we need to do when everything is gone well.
Hmm.
So we are doing that. Okay. So based on a you can say basically each and every step we are preparing the thing. Okay. Let's say you want to make a Maggie, and for Maggie first you need to chop the thing. First step, am I right? After
Hmm.
chopping, you need to you can say put a pan on your gas. Means open means flame your this gas or whatever is there. Am I right? Then you need to put your pan there and pour some oil for your this chopping or cook the things. Am I right? So
Hmm.
same thing we are doing here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You mean that? Okay. So final step is right into CRM. Yeah.
And then after that, we are saying, yes, we are good. Now I am free.
Okay.
Maggie is ready. I have served and everything is done. We are
Hmm.
saying done.
Okay.
Okay. Means we are confirming that as well. So this is for your step one.
Hello.
Because here you are able to see average.
Yeah.
Yeah, hello. Yes, sir. Here you are able to see we are incrementing the step index here.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we need to do this run agentic, mean event based basically. So
Hmm.
here you will see things are similar, but we need to see means how things are working here. Okay. So here we have those things are there, and but here if we check that, here you will see out. Okay, scroll lead out. Okay. So based on this, we are converting the score and passing the dispatch and failure here also we are doing
Okay.
decide for score, and here we are saying mean decide from score, lead score, and decision
Decision.
snapshot. Okay, we are you can say take a whatever decision we are just printing that, and this is our next step create offer. We are doing creating offer, and earlier we are doing this in a step way like start and things, but let's check that first. Let's complete, after that we will discuss here. Okay, so create offer, we are creating offer here and dispatching the thing, and if failed then we will retry this, and you can say subject memory decision switch. Here we are switching. Earlier we are not switching or we are not doing anything, but here we are switching. Am I right? You are able to see?
Okay. This is still step based, right? Not event based.
No, no.
I'm not.
This is a event based run agentic.
Okay. Event based. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
In a step base means we will assuming this will go for you can say based on a score it will go ahead,
Hmm.
and but here we are switching.
Switching.
We are checking the condition. Makes sense.
Hmm.
And you can say if send discount special offer 10%. Okay, these are the you can say things.
These are decisions. These three
Yeah,
lines,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yeah.
decision. And here also based on a decision,
Mm-hmm.
we are saying if you enroll today, makes sense.
Okay.
But it's a kind of event thing, makes sense.
Hmm.
And here we are doing that task which we need to perform, try get value stuff, and then write CRM, and if failed, then otherwise it's a done.
Okay.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So here, this is our lead, and this is our budget, which you, if you want, we can try and check the output again and again based on our things. Okay. But
Okay.
any question or concern? Trevor?
Uh, what are the 5 different steps in event based thing? Yeah, that I wanted to just quickly see. Write
Okay.
CRM, send email, and before that, decision making was there, but
You can check. No worries.
got lost in between. Yeah, step index 4 is there. Okay.
So basically, it will deciding your subject, because in a mail, send mail, there are some requirement, am I right?
Hmm.
And we cannot give a generic one or normal, you can say, offer thing or subject to your mail. It should be
Hmm.
specific.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense or not?
O- Okay.
So you
Uh,
can
we
think.
Hmm.
Oh, okay, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, you can. I wanted to tell just a real time example if you can explain.
Yes, yes, yes. Let's say you have a in a shop, you are running a this training company, okay, Tech Lambda, and if you will deal with a vendor, another vendor, okay, then terms are different. Am I right? If you are deal with a, you can say colleges, corporate, then terms are different. If you deal with a college, then terms are different. If you are dealing with a one-to-one customer, then things are different.
Hmm.
You cannot say means every time you will go with this route only, or you will means provide a same offer to all the customer. No, makes sense.
Okay.
So we need to take a decision. In what case, what is the you can say you
Offer.
can
Yeah. Hmm.
yes offer, or what is the content we are gonna to serve there. Okay. So here we will deciding email subject, and here we are deciding the body, email
Okay.
body, email of body. Here you can see email and subject body, which we will get from here. Make sense?
Okay. Yes.
So any question or concern?
No. Yeah. Fine.
Okay. So now we are running, and we are assuming this are lead.
So it is
Oh,
individual now, not college, not um, corporate,
yes,
right?
yes. Based on this, we can decide. Means, hey,
Yes.
this is a this. Means there is some you can say value with the helper we can decide,
Okay.
because let's say we will corporate, we will per candidate we will get more money, right?
Okay.
If it's a college, then there is a some range. Am I right? Say let's say if a corporate is there, we will for one candidate we can charge assume 20K. But if it's a college and a group of students, they will definitely they will pay not 20K, they will pay let's say 10K. Am I right?
Hmm.
And if it's a student, maybe they can pay us a
Five.
means 5K or 7K.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So for that means we need to train our agent so that it will work according
Hmm.
to decision, or according to client, or according to some decision condition, or some value. Based on that we can decide. Okay.
Okay.
So here we can see this is a step based. In here you will step based. You are running the step based
Hmm.
by passing the store. Okay.
Hmm.
And here you can say these are the logs for a step page, because what happened we are able to see in a logs. Okay. And this is a event based. Next, and here you are able to see we are calling a run agentic store.
Right.
Okay. And here based on this we are printing the logs and checking the thing. Okay.
Okay.
Let's run this. Any question or concern?
No, I want to see the output now. Yeah, it is. No questions. Yeah. So I think.
Okay. Let's check that. So .NET, .NET. Hope Vaibhav, things are clear in your mind.
Yeah.
Conceptually means,
Conceptually,
because
it is. Yeah.
we need to do this thing while doing a real implementation. These things required. Okay.
Hmm.
So here, as we saw earlier yesterday itself, these are the steps. Means here one step is passed, then we will this counter is also incremented. Is now it's a one is earlier 10. Now means we are not considering any count, but here now we are considering one. Means one is done. Now this is the out of two, and now two out of two is done. So and the result. And this way means we are moving forward. Here it's a still executing, then it's a prompt in course and email service timeout. We will get some random problem. That's why it's a 2 out of 2. We are still on a second. Okay. And then we will move forward. And here we will say we're not getting an error, result 2. So this is a, you can say, result one is denoting your step. If it's completed, you will get a result. Makes sense. Then it
Okay.
will incremented here. If it's not, then you will not get a this thing.
Incremented.
Okay. So this is the, but it will not giving us any result. So we are see two only, and these are the logs. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can check the output, and if you have any question concern, feel free to ask.
This is step by step one or okay. First execute. Just this is step one of two, and the third one is step two of two. So in the executing phase, so one of two is done successfully. That's why we are getting now two of two.
Yes.
Okay. And it is still two of two because we are getting some error email. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Well, with this
Hold,
output, how
hold
to
on,
know like
hold on.
yeah, yeah,
Actually, we are running a wrong thing.
yeah.
We are running
That's what event and all. Yeah.
a. It's my bad. Sorry. We need to run second file, but we are running a first yesterday itself. So now this is our uh, today code discussion and output. So demo one step based workflow.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Now it is.
Mode step based. This is a lead and this is a running step based, and the lead is this. Now this and step index one. This is a none and error none. So because it's a, you can say, running
Mm.
step based. Okay, we are printing that, and the result is one. Means first step is are complete, and we will get a result as well. There is no decision, and here you can say this. We are doing moving forward with this step one, step two printing, step three, and step four.
Step four email. Yeah. Step four.
Okay, and these are the logs. Now it's a event driven. Okay, so in a event driven means, as I told you, something is look similar, but mode is changed here. Earlier it's a step, now it's a event driven agentic, and decision snapshot. Here we are taking a decision based on a event. Event is a score. If score is changing, then we are changing our things as well.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Okay. So score 70 means ask more information. Okay.
Yes. Okay, and this is a thing means here we have based on a event. Event can be occur based on a user interaction, based on a data change. Am I right?
Mhm.
So, okay, any question or concern?
So
Hello.
for event base, how we are getting the score of 70? Because for step base is okay. Okay, for because you have given the Deepak and yeah, that is 4999. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So it's a based on a value. It's
Based on
working.
value. Okay.
Okay. Any question concern?
No. Okay. Fine. Yeah.
Okay. If no, then let's move to our theory part. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So let me run this. So agentic workflow. You can see workflow component step based event driven AI workflow versus agentic workflow. We will discuss this thing in theory. Okay.
Okay.
So what is workflow? A workflow is a repeatable sequence of steps to achieve a goal.
Hmm.
Okay. And like we already discussed, means we will define a steps to perform a goal or achieve a goal in our agentic AI. Am I right? AI agents. So it defines input, steps, and output. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if you talk about engineering point of view, reliability, observability, failure handling. We should be reliable, observe. We need to observe which task is complete or which step is complete or not, and error handling. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So now in a step-based workflow, input step one, step two, output. Okay, Vaibhav.
I'm there. Yeah. Step
So
based.
yes, and means here we have a fixed pipeline.
Hmm.
Let's say to create to means in this Maggie packet or some you can say pre-cooked or packaged food, they will give an instruction
Hmm.
which is our globally applicable, and you need to follow those only.
Okay.
Okay. So fixed pipeline means their steps are fixed. Same
Hmm.
steps are every time. Great for predictable process where you can predict the output and with the given steps, then you go with the this step based. Make
Okay.
sense?
Yes.
And what is the component? Like these are the trigger, like event. It can be based on some event. It will trigger, or based on a schedule or user action. Make sense
Hmm.
or not?
Yes.
So after trigger, we have you can say, like you can say, if you will not press the trigger, you cannot you can say shoot someone or shoot you cannot means hit your target in a shooting thing. You need to means press your trigger, gun trigger. Am I right?
Hmm.
To hit bullseye. Am I right?
Hmm.
So then trigger, workflow components are trigger, steps, data, rules, retries, and log. Now we will move ahead, and now we are discussing a workflow only. Am I right? In a
Okay.
workflow, we have a triggers, means starting, how
Hmm.
it will start. It will start a time based, it will start a event based or a user interaction. How it will start. Am I right?
Hmm.
And steps, what are the tasks there, and the data, what is the input and what is the output.
Right.
Rules, what are the condition, based on that we will take a decision. And the retries plus timeout. Make sense?
Okay.
Means how much time we will try to recover the things, how many times we will try to recover the thing, and how many means after, and this much of time we will try to you can say recover. So based on a retry plus timeout, both will work. Am I right?
Hmm.
Based on a retry count and timeout, means if this means this is a maximum limit of to means perform this task or This if it's not given in this given timeline, if we are not able to do that, means we are failed. We will not try again, or we will not say. We can say we are done. Am I right?
Okay.
And logs plus metrics, and we need to do that. So these are 6 steps. Okay, component. There are 6 component. You need to just try to remember those. Okay.
Hmm.
And event driven versus step based. What is difference between event driven and step based? Fixed order of steps. Okay, here order means steps order is fixed. Okay, it will not change.
Okay.
Okay, means it's not a condition based, it's a fixed. Okay, easy to reason because it's a fixed. Then we can say reasoning is also easy.
Hmm. This is.
Limited branching. It will not mean if you have a you can say decision making and control statement there, then it goes to a different you can say path. Am I right? If
Hmm.
I am got this much score, then I will join this college. If I am not, then I will join this. Blah blah blah. Am I right? It
Hmm.
depend upon your score, but here it will have a limited thing. Whatever you decided, it's a step based. Am I right?
Yeah.
Break if one step fails unless handled. If means something is failed, then if you're not handling that, it's a fail. Makes sense.
Right. Yeah.
So here means event driven agentic. It's a react to events. Let's say based on a score. Score is a event. Makes sense
Hmm.
for us. Based on that, we are taking a decision, reacting, or what is the subject is there, male subject is there, and body is there.
Hmm.
Okay. Flexible branching means you cannot predict the branching. It's a flexible.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Hmm.
And can loop until done. Means it will can a loop until done. Means it will try the things and do the things and try to recover through loop only. Am I right?
Hmm.
And built-in retry failure strategy. So here means already have a built-in retry and failure strategy. If fails, what we need to do? If how we will try to recover. This is inbuilt. Okay.
Okay.
Any question or concern regarding this theory part?
Is it just in real time system also these two only are there, right? Step based and event driven.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So this is event driven agentic loop. Event decide means after event taking a decision. Okay. And tool observe then next event.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah. So event is the trigger of our workflow. Yeah.
Yes,
In
it should be a time based, it should be a user interaction.
user interaction. Okay.
Okay. Decide and you can say decide and act until goal is satisfied,
Okay.
which we discussed yesterday itself. Okay. AI workflow, agentic workflow. AI workflow, LML generate test inside a fixed pipeline. Okay.
What is this?
AI versus agentic workflow
Okay.
means it's a fixed one. Okay.
Hmm.
And agentic workflow, LLM tools plus memory decision loop. Key difference agent can branch, retry, stop, and when done.
Okay.
So, which we discussed means it will perform a task, it will act. Am I right? But AI will mean just a fixed pipeline. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So, tool calling inside workflow. LLM, tool call tool result, next step. Okay.
And this is what we have. Acha, actions what we are doing that only, right?
Yes, yes. For performing a tool is nothing is a database API thing to perform your you can say task. Am I right? Like yesterday we discussed for sending a mail, we have a
Okay.
let's say API,
Mm-hmm.
SMT API. Am I right?
SMTP. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this we need to purchase. You are saying, right? Like
We need to develop. We need to use third party tool, whatever.
whatever.
In
Okay.
okay.
Hmm.
Let's say you will think about you have some problem in your system. So if you call some, you can say IT person or sport person, he will come up with some tools.
Okay.
Am I right? So agent also use some tools.
Hmm. Okay.
Tools extend capability and reduce utilization by grounding to real output. Make sense?
Okay.
Make sense or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because if you will say, hey, you need to do, but if
Uh,
you not give a clear clarity what he need to do and which
Goals.
from
Which
where
to.
he need to take a data or something like that, then it's a failed. It will
Hmm.
do by their own, which is
Mm-hmm.
useless. Okay, make
Good.
sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is demo we done. Step-based lead to enrollment pipeline. Lead to enrollment pipeline. Okay, event-driven agentic version with a branching decision. This is the only difference which we will see. With the help of decision, we are branching the thing. Okay, same tool, different orchestration style. Makes
What
sense.
is orchestration? I'm not getting.
Like if you on a TV, if you watch, if some music concert is there, okay, then there's a master musician who will just means rotating some sticks
Okay.
with the help of that another person are means means following those instruction musicians, okay,
Hmm.
and they will raise the voice of their playing the instruments or thing. So
Hmm.
they are you can say orchestrating means managing the thing so that they will in a sync.
Okay. Okay.
Make sense?
Hmm. Okay. Orchestra in orchestra. What happened? Okay. Got it. Okay.
Means to handle those tools is a different manner, but tools are same. How
Okay.
they will work together, in which
Hmm.
manner they will work, that's our orchestration. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we will run a single TypeScript. Okay. We right now is a .NET.
.NET.
Okay. Change lead lab task, change lead budget, urgency, and observability. Different decision you will get. Definitely. In a event based, if you change this thing, you will get a different.
Different. Yeah.
Increase email fail rate and observe you try failure. You will try to do this as a homework. You need to try this. Okay.
Okay.
And add a call phone when urgency is high. Okay. So you need to add this.
Oh.
Okay. And add an audit log entry to memory for every decision.
Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Yeah.
So this is a way to interview telling story. Okay, Vaibhav, any
Okay.
question or concern?
No. 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 Fine. So
Okay,
these the PPTs are shared to me, right? I mean, I will.
uh, it's already shared, man.
Okay. Yeah.